Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe. And today I have the much anticipated deluxe or premium, I don't know, it's the medium size box from Jeffree Star's mystery boxes. It's the premium or deluxe, I don't know. I hate the names he gives it because I can never remember them. But I got this. I paid $60 last week. And here I have it today. Usually it takes longer for me to get this. And they did ship it 2-day mail. So it came pretty quickly. It was a week ago when I ordered this. So sometimes it takes a long time for Jeffree Star stuff to get to me. But this time not so bad. And it's a beautiful green, which I love. And it is got the green paper. Let's put this on the table. And when you open it up, it looks like this. Oh, I can tell something I have already. Oh, I've got a beanie. I was wanting a beanie for this winter. And it is awesome. And this is your one item that is exclusive to this box, which is, or exclusive item is the Jeffree Star beanie. Nice. And for $60, you know, it's nice to have that. This is something that I never wanted, but I have. And this is the Blue Blood palette. I'm just not a blue person. I'm just not a big blue person. But now I've got the Blue Blood palette. And let's take a look at it. How do you open this box? Oh, like this. It's gorgeous. It is beautifully packaged. It is exquisitely packaged. And there it is. It's really beautiful. And truth be told, I could use this palette. And maybe I will. Since I have it now, maybe I will add it to my collection and use it because there's a lot of colors besides blue in there. But for now, I'm just going to put it back in its little hidey hole box. And a lot of people will be thrilled to get this. But this is just one that I wasn't ever geared up for. But I still have 3 more things because there's 5 things in this box. So, Blue Blood, beanie. Ooh, this is the gloss. Ooh, I love getting the gloss. Ooh, it's Diamond Juice. And I've been more into lip glosses lately. These boxes are so tricky. And they've got this little weird carton thing to get it out. And I'm probably going to keep this because I don't really have many Jeffree Star lip glosses. And it's beautiful. It is a beautiful gloss. It is gorgeous. The lip that I'm wearing is kind of a liquid lipstick and not a matte lipstick. But I'm definitely keeping that, so that's nice. So that's just a really nice, easy to work with, beautiful color. 2 more things, and I'll put the box down now. And this is, ooh, it's a liquid lip in Leo. Ooh, this is a color that I don't have. And I very well may want to use because I've gotten some really amazing, oh, this is so pretty. I might be able to pull this off. Because with nudes, it's hard for, I'll swatch it. I'll go on and swatch it. Oh, it's gonna work. This is a great nude, and it's kind of a chocolatey, like a milk chocolate kind of color. Almost a baby poop color. But it would look great with what I'm wearing right now. So that's cool. So this is like $18 or something, and this is like $18. The Blue Blood palette's like 50 bucks. The hat's probably like 20 bucks. So I'm definitely getting my money out of it. And then I've got a lip liner in Posh Spice. I'm also starting to collect lip liners and lip glosses. Let's check this color out. It is definitely like a brownie nudie color. It might look good with a lip gloss over it. Oh yeah, that'll be nice. So for my $60, I totally got my value. Lip liner, lip gloss, lippy, and I can use all of them, which is amazing because a lot of times you get weird shades, but these are all very usable. Beanie, Blue Blood. So this is great. I totally think that this, I think it's called the premium box. This premium box was worth the 60 bucks. You know, I got a palette that I would not have spent money on otherwise. So I think I'm going to keep it and try using it because there's a lot of usable colors in here. And there's some really dark blues that I think are pretty awesome. And I could probably even use some of these with that look. So I want to thank you so much for being here and seeing my channel. I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and we'll be back soon with more content almost every day. See you real soon. The Blue Blood palette. Can you believe it? The Blue Blood palette. All right, bye.